How do you reduce those nasty mouth noises when you're recording in voice acting? Simply because they're annoying. And I appreciate the comment, so let's talk about it. It sounds like you're doing a lot of the things right, but let's see if we can just add some tips and tricks into that. So, first of all, the pop filter, which I think you said you do have, and make sure that you have a foam cover for your microphone and it's not just exposed. The other thing is mic placement. Do not eat your mic as a voice actor. And I know you see all of the music stars just eating their mic, but that's not something you do when you're recording for voice acting. So you're going to want to be just slightly off access to your microphone, and you're going to want to have about this far away from your microphone when you're recording. Now, the other thing is your recording space is going to determine how far you need to sit from your microphone. So you're going to have to play around with it a little bit. Another thing that I do is I keep chapstick and I keep water. That way you're keeping your mouth hydrated. The other thing in your post audio production, you can run a de-esser or you can run a noise reduction. Some of it is just going to be inevitable and you're going to have to edit it out after you do your recording. The other thing is you become more mindful of the words that you're doing the mouth clicks with. Over time, you'll learn those words and you'll pronounce them differently. Those are some of my tips, so I hope that helped. If you're interested in voice acting, put Mike in the comments.